Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to share with you a valuable skill, downloading the source code of any website. Whether you are a developer eager to dissect a site's structure or simply intrigued by the inner workings of web pages, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process. First off, you'll need to install a browser extension. Don't worry, it's a quick and straightforward process, and I'll guide you through every step. Once installed, you're all set to dive into the world of website source codes. Now, let's get started. Head over to google.com and type Save All Resources in the search bar. The first result should be the extension you need. Click on it, then hit Add to Chrome. Next, we'll jump right into downloading the source code. I'll demonstrate the process in real time, making it easy for you to follow along. With just a few clicks, you'll have all the necessary files at your fingertips. To begin, navigate to the web page you want to download. Right-click on the page and select Inspect. A panel with various options will appear. Look for Resources Saver and click on it. Be sure to beautify the JS, HTML, and CSS code before proceeding. Also, ensure to check the option to include all assets via XHR requests. Once everything is set, click Save All Resources. The extension will then download and compress all the files for you. You may encounter a window prompting you to save the files. Simply click Save, and you're done. Now, you have the entire website saved on your computer, complete with its source code. After the download is complete, I'll walk you through extracting the files. It's a straightforward process, but crucial for the seamless navigation through the source code. To view the files, you'll need to extract them. Simply right-click on the zip folder and select Extract. Inside, you'll find several folders. Look for the one containing the index.tml file, typically named after the website. Click on index.jdml to view the site in your browser. Voila! You now have a fully functioning downloaded website at your disposal. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to downloading any website's source code. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.